in the NSTP-1 or the NS1 ROTC orientation. Sabi nga, during our orientation in the NSTP, na-mention ko sa inyo, kailangan ba natin i-take ang ROTC? Definitely the answer is yes. Kailangan natin i-take ang ROTC kasi mayroon tayong legal basis na dapat na sinusunod. According to the NSTP law, Republic Act 9163 on the Act of 2001, nang nagsasabi doon ng lahat ng college students, kailangan mag-undergo ng NSTP. The three components ng NSTP, the CWTS, MTS, and if you are the criminology student, automatic ROTC ang kukunin ng isang criminology student. Kaya hindi kayo pwede pumunta doon sa CWTS and LTS. Yan ang isa sa mga requirements. Hindi kayo gagraduate without this ROTC NSTP.